Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is about healthy foods which you can include in your diet to increase your fertility. See, I have already done few videos on how you can increase your fertility or which foods you should include in your daily regime or in your diet to increase your fertility and to conceive naturally. This video is just a simple addition to that list. So without doing any delay, let's just get started with the video. I'm going to tell you about a simple smoothie which you can have in your breakfast, or you can have it as your post breakfast or post lunch snack, and it is made with very few simple ingredients which are very helpful to increase your fertility. So let's jump right into the video. This smoothie is a simple addition to all those natural foods and healthy foods which I have told you before. In case you have not watched these videos, I will list down them in the description box below for you. So include those foods, those instructions as well as this smoothie in your diet, and I hope you will conceive fast and naturally. Thank you so much for watching, for your love and support, and I will see you in my next video now. Till then, be happy and stay healthy.